Sorry, Maris. Okay lang bang mag-share ka, Maris? Kasi parang emotional ka.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life. Yeah.
So, I know, may pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero paano ka nagko-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey. Ayun lang. Well, walang nagtanong, but, nangyari? Oo. Well, wala akong short answer for it. Hindi ko rin siya malabas ng isang statement lang kasi hindi ganun kadali. Sobrang complicated niya na situation. Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything. Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. But I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. And the truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yun, change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is that it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan. And wala ka nang ibang gawin kundi you have to face it and confront it. Because it's been in the back of my head. So yeah, I told Rico about it. I told him my problems, my issues sa buhay. And he took it like a man. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk because I love him so much. I love him and he loves me, but I have so many questions about my life and how will I go on sa buhay with him when I have so many questions about me, my sense of self. It was so difficult. But it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of our relationship, it was still full of love, full of understanding. Enrico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s, you know. But I can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. Ayun lang.
sorry to hear that, Maris, no? Pero once and for all na lang din, I'm sure kasi after your being open about your situation, maraming magtatanong dahil nga kung nag-click yung ano nyo ni Anthony, baka madamay siya at isipin ng mga fans na may kinalaman si Anthony sa breakup.
No, Anthony is out of the picture here. It's just mainly me and Rico. Mainly me. I'm the issue.
So after this, okay ka pa bang magsalita? Or this is the first and last time na you'll talk about it?
This is the only time I'm gonna ever talk about it.
Okay.
Since, well, we're at it. I would like to humbly ask the public to look at us, Rico and I, with understanding and love, because we are both grieving. Hindi naman makokontrol yung mga opinion ng mga tao, but please don't direct your hate towards Rico, because he's too precious for that. If you guys want to throw some punches, I'm ready to take them.
Thank you for being honest, Maris. Sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Janice. And Maurice, if you'd like to compose yourself first. But we're all, of course, very affected also. And we're here for you, Maurice. Thank you so much for being brave.
Thank you.
In facing this. Kanina nga napapansin na namin, marami na talaga nagtatanong sa'yo. And even online, I'm sure you're seeing the speculations of people, and we're sure it wasn't easy. But thank you for saying that statement here. And of course, we hope for the happiness for the both of you. Yes, whatever that may be at this point in your lives, we both wish you the best. Yes. Now, speaking of wishing you the best, again, we wish you the best in all of your projects, and that includes Maropok AF.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
forgot about that.
So,
Ayun guys.
again, congratulations.
Thank you, BGI. Guys, sana panoorin yung Marupok AF. Available siya sa Ayala Cinemas. This movie has a really deep message and a very important message. So I hope you guys watch it. Yeah, yun lang.
Now, Maurice, I'm sorry to do this to you, but there's actually one more question.
Ay, ano yan? Go lang.
One more. Oo.
Okay lang.
And this will be coming from Mr. June Lalin from Abante.
Hello po, Sir June.
Alam kong medyo nakakalma.
Yeah,
May isa pa tayong friend from the media.
Actually, lahat kami naiyak.
Yes.
It's very touching to moment na to. Pero, syempre, ang tagal na rin naman talagang lumalabas yung hiwalayan nyo, no? Pero, syempre, it's so, alam ko how much yung hirap for you na iwasan muna yung mga tanong na yon. Pero, kami dito, mostly, talagang inaangaan ka namin for being brave na, yun nga, magawa mong aminin. And ang ganda ng sinabi mo na wag isisi kay Rico, wag itapon sa kanya lahat ng blame, no? Ang sarap lang na kahit nauwi sa hiwalayan yung relasyon nyo, yung talagang pinipilit mong ipagtanggol siya, pinipilit mong wag siyang kumbaga, syempre, iba kasi magwa 1+1, ano nangyari, kahit sinabi mo na ikaw yung nagsabi sa kanya, yung maraming question, marami kang pinagdadaanan. But, ang sarap na, siguro si Rico will be very, very proud of you, very, very happy for you na, yun nga, despite everything, kahit ano pa, kasi ang daming naglalabasan sa internet, sa SOCMEC, na dahilan kung ano, dinadamay, pati nga si Anthony. Pero, yan, ang ganda. Oo. Sa tingin mo, anong magiging reaction ni Rico? Or pinag-usapan niyo ba to na, syempre, pareho kang celebrity. Nag-usap ba kayo na, sige, aaminin ko na, sasabihin ko na wala na tayo? No, pinagpaalam mo ba sa kanya?
Ako kasi yung mas active in terms of events, press cons. So I asked him, paano natin to gawin? How will we say it? Sabi na lang na, maybe in one of the interviews, kung may interview. But yeah, he was supportive naman about it. I asked for his blessing na sabihin ko yung totoo.
Ang ganda ng sinasabi mo about him, no? Tapos eto. And sa tingin namin, you still consider him as a friend.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Super.
So,
If I could still talk to him every day, I would.
yeah. So, kumbaga, yung magagandang memories nyo, iti-treasure mo pa rin, tini-treasure mo pa rin.
Super. Hindi yun mawawala sa akin. It will always be in my heart.
Alam mo, kanina, Maris, no, bago mag-start, feeling ko, magte-trending ka kasi may mga kagagaan, kalokahan kang sasabihin. Pero, eto yata yung unang pagte-trending mo na dramatic talaga.
Hindi ko yan expecto. Kasi sunod-sunod na kasi yung tanong kanina na about heart and love and and I'm just, hirap lang mag-pretend. Ang hirap din mag-construct ng sentence na alam mo namang totoong hindi ka okay. Ayun po.
And we
Yeah.
understand that because you said
Yes.
nga na if you say it out loud, it becomes official, it
Yeah.
becomes real, and this is the first time you said it. So we understand
Yeah.
it po, di ba?
And kami naman, we're all supportive of you. And kasi kami, we love you. Isa ka sa pinakamabait na celebrity.
Thank you.
Mapagbigay.
Salamat po.
Actually, si Maris, eto, even in Can't Buy Me Love finale press con, kahit pinapaalis na sila, pinapapasok sila. Sila ni Anthony talagang pinagbibigyan yung mga press na mag-interview, di ba? Dalawa kami ni Bix, nakapag-interview kami sa online show namin, naging trending pa nga yun. Sa kalokahan niya na binasa niyang titi. Pero yun nga, ang bait mo, kaya ang masasabi ko, we're all here to support you, di ba?
Salamat.
At least maganda na sinasabi mong you can still be friends, you can still talk to him kahit araw-araw. So, yan. Feeling namin sa sinasabi mo, kahit siyempre yung iba, maging intriga talaga, madadami si Anthony. Pero feeling namin walang third party. No?
Wala naman.
Wala. Official, no third party.
No third party.
Yan. Pero yan, congratulations pa rin sa mga nangyayari sa career mo.
Thank you.
Yun nga lang, masakit na yung love life mo, you have to sacrifice. Pero at least, you're doing great with your career. So, ako, congratulations dyan. And I hope makapag-heal ka kaagad kasi hindi kami sanay na malungkot ang isang Maris Racar. Yan.
Teka
Pero
lang,
yan,
lalabas yan mamaya.
yan. Pero yan, ako, papanoorin ko yung movie mo.
Thank you.
Support ko sa'yo.
Salamat.
Kasi
Salamat.
mabait kang tao.
Oh,
Yan.
thank you po.
And yun nga, hopefully, you can move on ng madali. Kasi nga, hindi naman kayo magkaaway, di ba? Magkaibigan
Hindi naman
kayo.
po.
Yan. Thank you.
Salamat
Yun na
po.
lang, hindi ko nahahabaan ng tanong. Para makaiyak pa siya mabuti. Yan. We love you.
I
Yan.
love you
Thank
guys too. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir June Lalin. Of course, we echo his sentiments na talagang we're all here for you, Maris. Thank you so much for being generous this afternoon, and we wish you the best. And now, I'm giving you the floor to say your final message to your fans, to everyone watching. What would you like to say?
Mahal ko kayo, Maris Tellers. Thank you. Thank you to the press na pumunta dito. I hope you guys watch Marupok AF. It's still showing on Selective Cinemas and Ayala Mall Cinemas. Kahit na namang ibigay ng mundo sa'yo, just be present. Go with the flow. Sakyan mo lang yung mga waves ng buhay. Kahit high yan or mababa, sakyan mo lang. And eventually, dadating ka din sa kung saan mo gusto.